When punk first hit, we were like studying 5 different kinds of teachers, learning about music, and all of a sudden it's totally uncool to be a great player.
Yeah.
Because it was the 70s, got technique.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and then the punking was just to bash that out, you know, which is cool. I get it, you know, but to compare us to that is not fair. And that's what they did. They were like, this is what everything that's wrong, and they point to us.
Right.
And this is everything that's right, and they put the Sex Pistols. You go, like, how can you compare that?
I know. And there's nobody like Toto. You guys.
It's like chocolate covered garlic. They don't go together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, that exists in its own thing. You know, that was a phenomenon. Can't be an old punk, can you? But you can be an old musician.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, all I ever wanted was a long career with